Hi, my name is Andre Kamara, and I, along with my wife Shravya Shetty, run our little practice called Studio Kamarada in Koramangala, Bangalore. So today I've been invited by Nuance India to say a little bit about smart homes. Now I've chosen two topics to speak about. The first one is what to me is a smart home. To me, a smart home is a home that responds to its user. It creates that personalized experience. A home or a smart home can only be as perceptive as the user itself. So it's only imperative that the user or the homeowner is 100% involved at the time of figuring out or even implementing the entire home automation process in their homes. It's when the home starts responding to the user in the way that the user wants the home to respond to. That is when I feel like the home starts acting smart. Another very important point as far as what makes the home smart is the ability of the entire home automation systems to allow it to think for itself. It's the little algorithms, it's these little features that are implemented into the system that enable it to conserve energies, to make the home more sustainable, which in turn really not only helps the end user, but it does a great deal to the environment as well. So the second point is what is the future of smart homes? According to me, the future of smart homes is scalable retrofit smart home solutions. Now, why am I so particular about scalable and retrofit? It's essentially because there's a paradigm shift of the new home buyer or the new home owner. A large chunk of the real estate segment has been dominated by the millennials. We have young professionals who started investing in real estate, in apartments, in villas, and more often than not, these young millennials don't have the time, don't have the budget sometimes, and at times they may not have the technical know-how. So give them about 1 or 2 years, and before you know it, these professionals, these millennials want to make their home smart. And that is when the entire retrofit aspect of it comes into play, because they want to use the existing circuits, they want to use the existing electrical conduiting to implement all these home automation techniques. They also want to use it as a scalable model. And why do I say scalable? It's because everyone wants to see the interface. It's very rare that you can actually go into an experience center or a showroom and say, I like this. I personally believe the interface of the product, the interface of the brand, that has a huge role to play as far as the user is concerned. So scalable retrofit are two very important points which I personally believe is the next 5 or 10 years of the entire home automation industry. So there you go, that's my 2 bits. Thank you, Nuance, for having me. Thank you guys for listening in, and have a good day.